This is like a sandstone in the deserts. This is the Himalayan desert. See the sandstone. Suddenly there's a gush of wind and heavy wind, crosswinds. I could feel the bike only getting pushed. And I'm the only one riding. I don't see anybody else. Let me ask somebody. Hope this is the right direction. It feels like alien land. Don't see any bike tire marks. बे हानले इसे हानले पीछे कितना दूर जाना है पीछे 45 हानले हानले थोड़ा पीछे थैंक यू थैंक यू Going to Hanle.
Going to Hanle.
What about you?
Going to Loma and Somururi.
Okay, Somururi.
So you will go from Loma only.
Loma left, no?
I think Loma another 20 kilometers.
After that left?
Left.
Okay.
Left.
Thank you. Actually, from Leh. I just came too forward. Oh shit. 20 kilometers on the Hanle road. Oh shit. Shit. I was in the wrong lane. I took the left instead of the right and was going into some desert kind of area. I'm back now on Hanle Ranko road. I think this is there, and I'm going that direction itself towards the rain. Not a single biker in sight. I got a bit lost, so I'm stranded all by myself. Not exactly stranded, riding all by myself. heading towards the rain. Beautiful landscapes once again. So we finally reached Hanle and it's pretty damn cold. We're staying at this Padma homestay in Hanle. Pretty nicely maintained place. If you're coming to Hanle, you can actually stay here. Here's a quick look at the place and the homestay. That's where we parked the bikes. And there's my bike. That's our room spare. That's our room. I think we have the power back on. Padma homestay. This is our room. Decent.
Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet.
Hanle is in the middle of a valley, hence it's got a cold breeze and it's supposed to have snowed up in the mountains last night. Check out the view. It's actually raining right now up in the mountains. Right there. Beautiful place. You can see mountains all across. And there's actually a cell tower right on top of that hill. Well, we had a long, hard day of riding today. So I'm going to end this vlog here at Hanle, and we are not going to do anything much today, just have dinner and probably crash. It's a cold place. The temperature right now should be around 7-8 degrees. Beautiful evening skies right here at Hanle. Hope you're enjoying all my logs of Zanskar calling, and you're giving me a thumbs up if you do like this videos. Looking forward to big ride tomorrow again. We're going to hit Umingla, the world's highest motorable road, and then head southwards towards Manali and then Chandigarh back home. We're towards the end of our long hard ride. So that's it from me for today from Hanle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So adios, ciao, and goodbye till tomorrow.